Well, in an effort to make the world better, by there being less bark and more wag, we will sing you a song. And there are participatory parts which I don't think we need to explain to you. You will understand as it goes on and hopefully feel led by the Spirit to participate.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, I wanna be a dog. I wanna wag my tail. Chase cars and drink from a porcelain bowl and like the lady who brings the mail. Oh, I wanna be a dog. Wanna drool on the floor. Get pats on the head, chase cats, get fed, chew your shoes and bark at the door. Oh, I wanna have dog breath. I wanna learn to growl. Let's get that line in there. Scratch fleas and ticks and run after sticks. I want the moon to make me howl. Well, so two dogs were talking in obedience school, and one dog says to the other, you know what I hate about obedience school? You have to learn all this stuff you're never going to use in the real world.
A man to a dog trainer said, every time the bell rings, my dog goes to the corner. The dog trainer says, that's okay, he's a boxer.
A man takes his Rottweiler to the vet and says, my dog is cross-eyed, is there anything you can do for him? The vet says, well, let's have a look at him. So the vet picks the dog up while examining his eyes. Finally he says, I'm going to have to put him down. What, just because he's cross-eyed? No, because he's really, really heavy.
Oh, I want to be a dog. Whoa.
What am I?
Whoa. We didn't over-practice this, obviously.
That was the goal, right?
That was the goal. Hey, a burglar is sneaking through his house one night when out of the darkness comes a voice.
I can see you, and so can Jesus.
The burglar freezes in his tracks and is too frightened to move. After a few minutes, nothing has happened, so he moves forward. Again from the darkness comes the voice.
I can see you, and so can Jesus.
The burglar, is petrified and too frightened to move a muscle. After a few minutes, he backs very slowly and tentatively to the wall and feels around for a light switch. He switches on the light, and there in front of him sits a cockatoo in a cage, who says,
I can see you, and so can Jesus.
Greatly relieved, the burglar sighs, it's just a cocky. The cocky looks at the burglar and says,
I might just be a cocky, but Jesus is a big German shepherd. I want to be a dog. I want to be big. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll do it again. Oh, I want to be a dog. I want to dig big holes. Want to sniff French poodles and basset hounds and pee on telephone poles. Oh, I want to have dog breath. I want to learn to growl. Grr. Scratch fleas and ticks and run after sticks. I want the moon to make me howl. Dog haiku. How do I love thee? The ways are as numberless as my hairs on the rug.
My human is home. I am so ecstatic I have made a puddle.
I sound the alarm. Paperboy, come to kill us all. Look, 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 look!
Dig under the fence. Why? Because it's there. Why? Because it's there. Why? Because it's there.
I sound the alarm. Garbage men, come to kill us all. Look, 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 look!
The box with Tootsie Rolls.
I am your best friend. Now, always, especially when you're eating.
Today I sniffed many dog behinds. I celebrate by kissing your face. Oh, I wanna be a dog with a big wet nose. Wanna run on the street, get mud on my feet, and jump onto your clean clothes. Oh, I wanna have dog breath. I wanna learn to growl. Scratch fleas and ticks, and run after sticks. I want the moon to make me howl. Oh, I wanna have dog breath. I wanna lay on the ground. Oh, being human these days is getting too crazy. I just wanna be a hound. Being human these days is getting too crazy. I just wanna be a hound. Yeah!